With a funny little skip, Shri Vindaloo disappeared under the silent neon sign saying, "The Tango Club." The music was still playing, of course, and there was a tired couple still on the floor. He was a famous retired soccer player who had once scored 2 goals in the World Cup, but was sent off the field for kissing the referee too much. His wife, who always wore a black straw hat, they said she even wore it in bed, was reclining in his arms as the rhythm slowed. Shri Vindaloo blinked slightly, his eyes getting used to the delicious smoke. There was a little breeze blowing beside him. He turned his large head slowly. And there she was, Lola Flores. Like some pig version of paradise, she was smiling and laughing and smoking a cigarette in a long holder, all at the same time. "Shall we dance?" said the pig patriarch gallantly. The orchestra struck up Kiss of Fire, and they glided onto the floor, swaying and trotting in such a tumultuous way that even the cadaverous waiter stopped doing nothing and watched. "I'm glad you came this morning, Liebling," for that's what she always called him. "I leave for Paris in an hour." "Ah, Lola Flores," said Shri Vindaloo as she threw her head back, her lissom neck rippling before his face. They swayed there together for long minutes, looking like a pair of plump birds of paradise. "Soon, Liebling, soon," she whispered to him in her throaty voice when the music stopped. "Soon we will dance across Europe together." "Ah, Lola Flores," said Shri Vindaloo. "It won't be long now," she said, once again, the twinkling pig star of international stage and screen. She brushed her pretty snout across his moustache and, calling for her retinue of bags and bouquets, swept out of the club. Shri Vindaloo sat at the empty chair by the dance floor, smiling dreamily. He played with his moustache and sipped the champagne a waiter had thoughtfully set near him. Suddenly he got up and strode to the dressing room. "Antonio," he called out, settling into the plush red velvet barbered chair. "Could you please shave off my moustache?" That's it.